Hello friends, this is your how-to video to create a PowerPoint. You will need to log into your ClassLink account. Once you've logged into your ClassLink account, you will need to find a red folder that says Microsoft Office 365. Once you've found your Microsoft Office 365 folder, you will need to click on it. Once you've clicked on the folder, you will need to find PowerPoint, which is a red icon. Don't get it confused with Office 365. A red icon that has the letter P. Click on PowerPoint. Once you've clicked on PowerPoint, you will need to log in. Once you've logged into your PowerPoint account or your Office 365, you will find new tabs, a new blank presentation, and then you will also find more themes throughout. Let's start with a new blank presentation. Once you open a new presentation, you will have all of this to work with. Today you're going to learn how to change your font, change your theme, add pictures, and how to use animation. Alright, so let's begin with selecting a theme. Once you click on Blank Presentation, you will find these themes to the side. There are many themes to choose from. I am going to go with a simple theme with the outdoors theme since we're talking about Sequoia. So, I have my outdoor theme. You will then have areas where you can click and type. So, I will click here and I will put all about Sequoia, the writer. And then you will need to add your group names. Okay, so first thing, how can I change my font? So if I wanted to change my font, you can click on the font itself, and then you will take your mouse and you will highlight your font like this. And then you can choose from the drop-down menu many types of fonts. Okay, so I'm going to go with Rockwell. And it will then change your font. To the side, you notice that the themes are changing. So if you wish to, you could change the theme. I kind of like this one with the trees in the background. So I'm going to choose that one. And as you can see, it quickly changed my theme and my font. You can close it up by clicking the X. Alright, now you need to know how to add pictures. You also need to know how to add a new slide. You can click here to add a new slide. So once you add a new slide, you can pick from these themes. I will stick with the title and the content because then I can put pictures as well as my writing. Or you can choose two contents. I'm going to choose title and content. Add slide. So here I will put the first title, which will be introduction. The introduction. And then you will have choices to either add a picture or add font. Add your writing. So here you can add your writing. So Sequoia was the creator of the Cherokee written language. And then I can make my box smaller by using the circles. So I will make my box smaller. To add pictures, you will click on Insert. Once you click Insert, you can click on Pictures. Pictures will let you upload something from your computer or from online. Let's look online. So here, you can type in Sequoia and see what you can find. So it may not let you find any pictures, which is fine. You can use different images here. Another way to get images is click down the arrow and click on Bing Pictures. We'll find pictures from online. And you can put in Sequoyah, Sequoia. And it will pop up many different pictures. So I'm going to click on this image right here. You will click on Insert One. And then you can drag your image. So if you click on your image, you can drag your image, okay? Or you can use one of these designs that they have already created for you. If you like one of those designs, I recommend clicking on one. So for example, I like the first one. There we go. Now I can click the X. All right, so I have an image, I have some writing, and you can change the font if you wish. To highlight and how to get back to your font, you click on Home, and then you can click on the different types of fonts again. Okay? You can also change the size of your font and the color of your font. Okay. How do I change or give a picture or words animation? You click on Animations, and then you click on the picture. So let's say, for example, I want my picture of Sequoia to fly in. So you can click here and you can pick many different types of animations. How it will enter, okay, emphasize, maybe you want to bring more attention to it, or how it will leave. Okay, so I want it to enter, and I'm going to have it grow and turn. Okay. So then you can also do that with your writing. You click on the box, make sure that the whole box is clicked, and you can again click on the different type of animation. So I'm going to click on Fly In. Okay. So now let's see how my animation works. So I'm going to click back to the first slide, and I'm going to click on my writing so it will fly in, and then I'm going to click on my name so it'll fly in too. And now I'm going to test it. How do I test it? You click on this button right here which says Slide Show. Click on Slideshow, and it will preview your show for you. So then you need to press your mouse, click once, All About Sequoia the Writer by Miss Korea. Here's my picture, and then here's my writing. Sequoia was the creator of the Cherokee written language. Okay, friends, you may need to review this video a few times in order for you to remember. Always make sure that your presentation is being saved. You can also name your presentation here. You can say, All About Sequoia, and then you will put your name, Miss Korea. Okay, so we know whose it is, and it will be saved to your documents. Once it is saved, you will be able to go back into your presentations and see it right there. So let's refresh our screen to see if our presentation is there. And our presentation is right here. Okay, those are the most recent presentations that you have created. All right, so now it is your turn to create your presentation. Have fun and good luck.